Okay, this is again, a common locksmith students. This is a bonus one. I don't even know what number to call this. It's amazing how many students forget to put the clip in the back. They put the lock together, don't put the clip in. Always put in your C-clip and reinstall it back in. Now, on job sites, what we do now, it's different in the classroom, but yeah, make sure you always put that back on. But have a bag of 100 of these, and when you rekey the locks, throw a new one on. These are crappy locks, and then the customer doesn't want to replace it. You throw on the old C-clip, and it falls off. And then who's got a callback is you. So locksmith students, put on your C-clip. Regular locksmiths and locksmith students, replace the thing. You can get a pack off. All your suppliers have packages of these things, and just replace it with a brand new one. They cost us nothing, and it's just so easy to do, and it's such an embarrassing callback. Again, locksmith students, put the C-clip on. Don't forget, the lock just falls apart. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.